It's end of the month. That means it's race day. So we have our bucket with all of the competitors. These are the guys that have been commenting that they need tires. The other subscribers that I have, they are not part of the competition. So only who's actually talking to me and saying, listen, this is what I'm building. These are the rigs, these are the tires. And so those are the people that are actually in this draw. Okay, so let's grab the bucket and just grab some competitors, some drivers. And we have 3 drivers. The first one is Mario Villa. The second one is, we've had you before in this competition, Piercing Heavens. Yeah, well, you didn't win anything, so you can compete the second or third time even. And then we have Adam PSRCs. So let's hit the trail. Let's get this competition rolling. So our rig of choice is the TRX4 Sport with all its upgrades. We are going through to this starting position, going as fast as possible through to the first obstacle, climbing and then dropping off into this section, doing a sharp left and trying to line up the car as good as possible to pass this steep incline. It is a very, very difficult obstacle and it always causes problems. A sharp right and a sharp left, and we pass over the finish line at the top. So this is pretty straightforward. This is a time trial and a time trial only. Let's grab our first driver. Let's put the other 2 drivers under the little rock here so they don't fly away. We have a little bit of a breeze today. There we go. So first runner-up is Piercing Heavens. Let's put the name or the driver on the car and send him on his way. Okay, first runner-up, Piercing Heaven. Switch on your engines and 1, 2, 3. Here comes the bell. Ooh, on a rigged start there. Oops, camera needs to follow as well. Turning off to the right, then the left. That is actually a little bit of a different route, but obviously trying to keep up and trying to get the time right and getting all your nerves together. You might just make a mistake just like this. You see what I'm saying? Let's get him back on his wheels, backing it up, and no matter, let's see if we can line him up as fast as possible to the steep section. Oh, don't. I almost dropped it there or flipped backwards. Keep it going, keep it going. Don't do a mistake now. There we go, passed through perfectly. Now just doing that little twist turn at the top here. And slowly, easy does it. And he did it, yes. And now the sharp left turn. Need to do a few, few backups to get this maneuver right. And off we go. Come on. And across the line. And let's swap drivers quickly. So next runner-up is Mario Villa. Let's put him on the roof rack and send him to the track. And we have Mario coming to the start line. Hang on a second, that is not right. Lining him up properly. There we go. Perfect lineup. And 1, 2, 3. Here comes the bell. Mario's got a really good start, lining up quite perfectly into the first obstacle. Oh, he's going to go a little bit high. Oh, bouncing off on that. That is very well done. Very fast. Oh, jumped off the steep obstacle. This is a very, very difficult obstacle. A lot of things go wrong here. Oh, don't go that way. Hang on a second. Keeping it calm, keeping it cool. Don't go that way. Oh my gosh. Let's put him on his wheels quickly. No time wasted. And carry on driving. Okay, let me put myself into position and keeping it easy, keeping it gentle. Come on, you can do this. Come on, Mario. Let's just hook it a bit, give it a bit of wheel speed there. Hang on, one more time. There we go, got it. And it's gripping. And is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? Yes, he is gonna make it. Went a little bit far on the top section here. Reversing tire high in the air, and he clears the side obstacle here, coming through, hooking off to the left. And whoop, maybe he's gonna go. No, that tree is in the way. And what's going on here? No, getting hooked on the rear axle. Come on, Mario, you can get off this rear axle. That rock is in the way, and across the line. And Mario coming in at a steady pace, ready for the driver swap. Last driver, Adam PSRCs. Let's put him on the roof rack. Adam lining himself up on the start line. Just get to that first rock, and there we go. Time is running. 3, 2, 1. There goes the bell, and off he goes. Terrific start as well. Keeping it calm, keeping very selective on this section here. We're bouncing a little bit. Don't overdo it, Adam, because, oh, there we go. You overshot. That's not a good idea. Taking it easy and lining the car up perfectly, well, almost perfectly, maybe jumping it a little bit. Oh, that those two front tires are a little bit too high for that. Trying to wiggle them down a little bit, but then, oh yes, he makes it. Very nicely done. Steady pace. Ooh, that wheel is a little bit high. Ooh, slipping off on the back axle there a little bit of wheel speed coming through here. Ooh, went a little bit low in that section. Needs to do a couple of backups on this. Ooh, almost taking that tree out, getting stuck on that as well with the front axle, and he's across the line. Well done, Adam. Okay, off we go down to the shed, actually up to the shed. Hang on a second, this is the wrong way. We need to go back up to the shed. Phew, what a walk back up to the shed. This was quite a surprise for me, this race, because it was quite close in the times. We've had about a week of rain, constant rain, and it was slippery and muddy, but for some reason the car actually just managed to keep everything intact. There weren't a lot of mistakes, there wasn't a lot of slip up or wheel speed. It actually just kept gripping, and the times are very, very close for this crawler race. So let's line them up. In third place we have Mario Villa, who is coming in at 1 minute 21 seconds. Second place, the guy who has been in the competition before but didn't win anything, is Piercing Heavens, coming in at 1 minute 14. Like I said, this is a close race. And Adam PSRCs, well done, congratulations. You came in at 54 seconds. So Adam, you can contact me on Instagram, which is probably the best way, and then we can just swap out our details. I have noticed in the past though, that sometimes ordering on specific websites from Spain, they will not allow me to order. So the last time, how I actually did it with the previous winner, I just sent him some money through onto his PayPal. And anywho, congratulations, Adam, woohoo, for winning those tires. Hope you enjoy them a lot. So guys, subscribe to the channel, write me. We have got a competition on Proline Crawler Tyres coming up in the next 2 months. So write me a comment on what rigs you're building, what tires you have, or if you just say, I need tires, I'm completely happy with that. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.